Hi guys, today we are going to see a very healthy and nutritious side dish, Palak Channa. The ingredients are black chana that I have soaked overnight and boiled in the pressure cooker, spinach, finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomatoes, and we'll need ginger, garlic and green chili, turmeric powder, chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of garam masala. Let's get started. First we'll boil water for blanching spinach. Once the water comes to a boil, we are going to add the spinach and blanch it for a minute. We'll add sugar optionally to preserve the color of the spinach. Once it comes to a boil, we will drain it and allow it to cool. Meanwhile, we'll grind ginger, garlic and green chili and keep it aside. Let's take a pan and add some oil for heating. Once the oil is hot, we'll add some cumin seeds and allow them to splatter. Once the cumin seed has splattered, we'll add the finely chopped onions to it and saute it for a few minutes. Down, we'll add the ginger, garlic, green chili mixture. And saute it till the raw smell goes away. When the raw smell has gone, we'll add chopped tomatoes. Let's add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Let's also add the salt. The boiled chana already has salt, so you only need to add for the spinach. While it's getting sauteed, I am going to puree the spinach. It's sauteed well. We'll add the spinach puree to it. I am going to add some water that I reserved from blanching the spinach. Let's add garam masala. And finally the boiled chana. Saute for a few minutes. The chana is already boiled, so we have to just give it a few minutes to come to a boil and it will be ready to serve. There we go, our delicious palak chana is ready to be served. You can eat it with chapati, naan, even put it on the rice. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon with another recipe. Bye.